Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to create this retro effects on text in the CapCut Mobile. So here you just need to use a background or maybe a photo if you want, and go to text, click on the text template. Then in here, just swipe through the category until you find retro. So here there will be lots of options, retro text options that you can use. So but some of them are pro, so I'm going to just use the free one. So for example, I'm going to use this back to 80s. For example, click on the template, click on the check icon, and if you want, you can change the text by double click on it. Here you can change it, you can change the text to your own text or the text that you want. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.